Hey guys, it's me, the Mad Player, and today we are back at Five Nights at F-Boys 3, the final mix. Anyways, no, I am not going to do that, because if I do, I'm going to wreck myself. Oh, hold up, just adding some volume. Alright, there we go. Let's see, let's go up here. That's where we met Mangle. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Oh hello, who are you?
Jacob Pirate, masturbate in this fucking house. Get me some fucking privacy.
It's not even a house. Uh-oh. Oh no. Anyways, let's get over here. Oh. Oh, I forgot to do something while I was here. Alright, hold up. I'll be right back. Let's engage him! Engage the dead untouchy where. Let's do this! Oh, he got it! Oh, I got a defense boost too. Let's see. Dang, 48 defense, that's good right now. But right now... Alright, let's see.
I'm going to punch the fuck out of this poster.
Space Rape Bar!
Awkward.
Alright, so we got the poster. No. Anyway. Let's get back here. And now that we got this toy Freddy shell, let's see what happens.
Devour my hotbird ass Freddy.
Fine, Jesus fucking Christ, I'm sick of your shit already.
Devour my hotbird ass Freddy. 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 Devour my hotbird ass Freddy.
What? What? Alright, I am nowhere near level 10. Let me just... What? What? They still can do damage to me? That sucks. Spring Trap is not as strong as you think. Okay. Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. Alright, there we go. Why do I keep on missing on the freaking first attack? That is sucky. Thank you. The game is being next to me. This game ain't my... Oh, there's a portal right here. Oh well. We're never gonna get to it. Ha ha ha. Maybe in part 3, but whatever. Yeah, maybe today, but I don't want to grind up so much right now. Don't miss. Thank you. I'm gonna try it right after I'm level 10. I'm probably gonna fail at it, but whatever. Oh, 666. Alright, if I'm not talking that much, because I have nothing really to say right now. Just enjoy the... And so... If I don't talk that much, oh well. Oh, when is it? Why am I gonna take forever to get to level 10? Oh, I'm about to turn to level 10, that's cool. Yay! Alright, I am at level 10. Alright, let's do this. I swear, I keep on freaking missing my second hit. I meant my first one. Alright, let's save. Let's do this. I like that music box. Box. What? Alright. Let's do this. We're gonna battle our first boss in this game. Hopefully I'll win. Game over, yeah! Let's do this.
Devour my hotbird ass Freddy.
No.
Engage the chicken motherfucker.
Let's see. This new move, it can make Chico go scream, and then I'm going to scream. Oh, well, I'm screwed. Ah, crap. I'm not going to try that anymore. Thank you. Engage the Chica mother effort. Execution. Duties. Oh yeah. Oh god. Okay, let's see. Oh god. Oh my. Okay, I'm in big trouble. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to get left if I don't do anything. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can make it go to sleep. Yes! I saved my life right there. Alright guys, we're about to finish this. Let's see if we can beat this boss. No! Alright, let's do this. Oh, well, we paralyzed her. Almost done. Oh my god, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done! No! I'm almost done, guys. Oh my god, will we actually be able to do this? Oh god, okay, this is bad. My time is almost done. Yes! Yes, we did it! We did it! We beat Phantom Chica on the first time! No! Yes, we beat Phantom Chica. Let's do this! Oh, alright.
I fucking did it, eat my shit.
Yes, you did. Got a secret report. Learn Phantom Healing. Yay! We beat Phantom Chica and I thought we were gonna die. The lock's preventing Springtrap from entering the office, but when Phantom Chica's presence faded, one of the locks on the office door dropped to the ground with a clink. Alright guys, I guess we can wrap this up, and I'll see you next time, and we'll continue Springtrap's Night of Debauchery. Anyway, let me save this. This is your local NAD player, and goodbye guys. Yeah, we defeated Phantom Chica.